Plastic is everywhere. It's in our homes, our clothes, and even our oceans. From the moment we wake up and brush our teeth with a plastic toothbrush to the time we go to bed, plastic is an integral part of our daily lives. It's in the packaging of our food, the toys our children play with, and even in the electronics we use. We produce millions of tons of plastic every year. This mass production has made plastic both a marvel and a menace. Factories churn out plastic products at an astonishing rate, meeting the demands of a consumer-driven world. Sadly, much of it ends up polluting our planet. Beaches are littered with plastic waste, and our oceans are becoming vast garbage patches. This pollution not only mars the beauty of our natural landscapes, but also poses severe threats to wildlife. We need to find a solution. Scientists and environmentalists are working tirelessly to address this crisis. Community cleanup events are becoming more common as people come together to combat plastic pollution. Recycling is key to a sustainable future. By sorting and recycling plastic waste, we can reduce the amount that ends up in landfills and oceans. Recycling plants play a crucial role in this process, transforming discarded plastic into reusable materials. Plastic waste pollutes our oceans, harming marine life. Sea creatures often mistake plastic for food, leading to fatal consequences. The underwater ecosystem is suffering, and the ripple effects are felt throughout the food chain. It clogs our landfills, taking hundreds of years to decompose. Landfills are overflowing with plastic waste, creating long-term environmental hazards. The slow decomposition rate of plastic means it will persist for generations. We must act now to protect our planet for future generations. Activists and young children alike are raising their voices and taking action. Their efforts are crucial in driving change and promoting a cleaner, greener world. By recycling plastic, we can conserve resources and reduce pollution. Innovative technologies are emerging, turning plastic waste into new eco-friendly products. This not only helps in managing waste, but also in conserving natural resources and reducing our carbon footprint. Our innovative recycling machine offers a solution. It transforms plastic waste into valuable products. This cutting-edge technology is efficient and easy to use. It is a game changer for businesses and the environment. The machine is compact and easy to install. It features a powerful shredder, a high-efficiency melting unit, and a versatile molding system. These components work together seamlessly. They allow businesses to recycle a wide range of plastic waste. The recycling process is simple yet incredibly effective, transforming what was once considered waste into valuable resources. First, plastic waste is carefully collected and fed into the recycling machine. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire recycling process. The shredder then breaks the plastic down into small, manageable pieces. This not only makes the plastic easier to handle, but also prepares it for the next stage of the process. Next, these shredded pieces are heated and melted into a liquid form. This melting process is essential as it allows the plastic to be reshaped and repurposed. Finally, the molten plastic is carefully molded into new products. This stage is where the magic happens, turning liquid plastic into useful items. The machine can produce a wide variety of products from recycled plastic. These include pellets, flakes, and even custom-made products tailored to specific needs. The possibilities are truly endless. This innovative process allows businesses to significantly reduce waste and create new revenue streams. By turning waste into value, companies can contribute to a more sustainable future while also benefiting economically. Section 4, a greener bottom line. The benefits of recycling. Recycling plastic offers numerous benefits for businesses and the environment. It reduces the amount of plastic waste going to landfills. It also conserves natural resources and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, using recycled plastic is often more cost-effective than using virgin materials. This can save businesses money on raw material costs. Recycling also enhances brand reputation by demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. Section 5. Joining the circular economy, a call to action. In today's world, the need for sustainable practices has never been more urgent. We are at a critical juncture where our actions can significantly impact the future of our planet. Investing in our recycling machine is a smart business decision. Not only does it demonstrate corporate responsibility, But it also positions your company as a leader in sustainability. It allows you to reduce your environmental impact and improve your bottom line. By integrating advanced recycling technology, you can transform waste into valuable resources, cutting costs and boosting efficiency. Join the circular economy and be a part of the solution. This collaborative effort not only benefits the environment, but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose. Together, we can create a more sustainable future. Imagine a world where our children can play in clean parks, breathe fresh air, and live in harmony with nature. Contact us today to learn more about our recycling machine and how it can benefit your business. Our team is ready to assist you in making the transition to a more sustainable operation. Let's turn plastic waste into profit and protect our planet for generations to come. By taking action now, we can ensure a healthier, greener world for future generations.